In this video, you are going to learn how you can add text in your video using CapCut PC. First of all, open CapCut and then create new project. And you can see this is the CapCut dashboard. First of all, we need to add our footage. This is my demo footage. I just want to drag and drop here. And now it's look like this. Then add to track and see, now it's editing zone. First of all, I want to remove the unwanted part at the beginning. Let's play this footage. So just think this is your good video. I'm just using my demo content.
That's all for today. If you found this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up.
And you can see here is a nothing text. So for adding text, we just need to hit the text tab here, and you can see here is the various of templates here. So if you want, you can use any of them. It's actually huge list from here, so you will get but for myself, actually always I try to use the preset like this, or just use the default text. So for example, if I use this text, so of course you need to download first, and you can see it's default. So when you added a text in here, you will see a right pop-up and the text editor is here. You can see you can add any, you can select any font from here. It's a big list of default font. Also you can download the custom font and you can add. I will make a dedicated video about font. Okay, so for this video I want to use the bold font or lemon milk bold. So lemon milk bold, I personally do like this font. Actually it's a all the good font here. So you can see you can add the text in here like whatever you want. Like I am using my name. You can see this is Nasim Reza, and if you scroll down, you can see you can bold it, you can underline, you can italic. Also you can use like you can change the case. Also you can change the color, what color that you prefer you can use from here. And you can see the spacing or the alignment in here, and this is the scale, this is the size, you can increase or decrease. And this is the position, you can see this is a rotation position, you can change it. Also if you want to change the rotation, you can use by doing here, like you need to keep pressing this button and then scroll anything, like rotate it. Okay, you can see it's rotating. So and this is the alignment, so you can align using this template. And you can see this is the blend mode. So if you want, you can blend mode here, actually the opacity. So opacity, this is 100% and this is the 7%. So also you can see the keyframe in here. So keyframe you can use it, which is very cool feature. Like if I want to give you an example, like if I want to add keyframe in here and I want to decrease this opacity, and if I keep my cursor here and put another keyframe, and here I want to keep the opacity is 100%. And if I see you the preview, you can see boom, right? So what is the cool feature you can use? And this is the stroke. Stroke means the 3D, like you can change the stroke like this. So always I prefer back. So it's actually you need to select what you like. So all color are here, so you can choose this. For this color, black is looking good. And you can see this is thickness, so how thickness you want, so you can edit it. Also you can see you can add the background here. So this is the background, like this and this. Also you can change the background color as well. Okay, so next if I you can see the you can do any customly, like height, weight, rounded. If you want, you can if you select the round, it's just a uh, button. Okay, so it is pretty cool. I pretty like the feature in CapCut. So you can see this is the glow mean if you select the white glow, you can see this is looking right now, it's very pretty cool. So you can also change the range, so it is it's looking like a shadow. So you can see also the shadow have if you can use the drop shadow. So you can see the opacity, you can increase decrease. So if I stop the glow, you will see the opacity of this here. So if I use the white color from here, I will get the quick understand. So this is the actually the opacity and angle. Okay, and the last thing is the crop. So crop is not able to selecting right now, so we just turn off everything. So it's actually curved, so it's not a important thing. So if I go you the right tab, you can see the template also showing in here. So for example, you can easily use the word art, the social media, the title, that whatever you want, you can select it from here. So it's actually a big list, that's why it's get taking some time from here. And you can see it's now looking subscribe button. So voice is pretty cool, so you can use their templates. I do like their templates, so they have uh, stylish and very engageable template. So you need to check all thing carefully. So you can use this thing in your video. So if you use their pop-up this kind of form or template, your video will more engaging. Also here is the another important part with this template. So animation, sorry. So animation is pretty cool. Always I try to use the animation. So animation, I do like this kind of animation.
That's
You
all.
can see. So this is
That's all.
animation, actually the very good thing. So
That's all.
it has also a lot of animation and like
That's
karaoke
all.
style. So you can check this up.
That's all.
So also you can see it's a in and out also loop. So you can see voice
For
is
today, if
pretty
you found
good.
this
I
video was
always
useful, then
like CapCut and the all feature they have. So that's actually the basic video for you guys in using the text. So in future I will show you how you can edit like a pro. That's all for today. If you found this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more video from me, then consider subscribing to this channel. My name is Nasim and I will see you on the next video. Till then, bye. Have a good day.